The Revolutionary War lasted from 1774 to 1781, and there were quite a few battles. It was a long war, but I'm going to just give six that I thought that were important that you can use. There's some other battles like Battle of Brandywine, Battle of Germantown, Battle of Trenton, Battle of New York. So there's quite a few battles that I'm not listing, but I of course did the first one, Lexington and Concord. That was April 18, 1774. It was 75 of our Minutemen versus 700 British. 8 of our men died, 10 were wounded. This was the shot that heard round the world and started the Revolutionary War. Then in Boston, there was the Battle of Bunker Hill, but it was actually Breed's Hill. It was a different hill, and the Americans had the top of the hill, and 2,600 British soldiers tried to take the hill. And there was also the British Navy in the harbor bombarding the hill. And this is where you heard the great line, "Don't shoot till you see the whites of their eyes." It was basically considered a stalemate. 226 British were killed, 828 wounded. They suffered severe losses, and eventually the Americans left the hill. Then we go to crossing of the Delaware River in December 25th, 1776. The Americans were in need of a big victory. They were actually defeated in New York and other places, so they needed a morale boost. And this crossing of the river in the middle of the winter in ice and snow and extreme cold surprised the British. The Americans killed over 100 men, and they took 1,000 prisoners, and no Americans were killed in this crossing of the river. Then we had Saratoga was basically considered one of the turning points of the war. It was in New York State, and the British were trying to divide the colonies in two, tried to basically starve out Boston and New England and divide it with New England. And basically you had Benedict Arnold and you had General Howe and others that basically defeated the British. And there was about 7,000 troops that the British had, and it was a big defeat. You had Valley Forge, which was during the winter of 1777 to 1778. This was a cold, brutal winter. It took Americans a while to build huts. There were very few supplies. They had to beg, and it was just extreme cold. But with a lot of drilling and training, the American Army became a stronger army. It wasn't just a bunch of guerrillas. It was actually an army that was trained to fight the British. And then the last battle is the Battle of Yorktown. It was the end of the war with the help of the French Navy. The Americans and the French surrounded Cornwallis, who was the general of the British troops, and surrounded the troops, and they surrendered in 1781, and this was in Virginia. So these are the 6 events of the Revolutionary War, or battles of the Revolutionary War, that I picked that are important. You can pick some others, and you can pick different ones, but these were ones that I thought were kind of important. It was a long war, and we don't realize how long it was, and it was all run by Congress, and it was hard to get troops, and it was hard to get money, and it was hard to pay them. But Washington was a great general and a great leader, and people followed him. And eventually we won, not because we were, the militia and the people hiding behind trees, but we were actually a well-trained army. We were trained well, and we defeated the British in their own type of battle and own type of warfare.